If you are an entrepreneur or a startup and you want to make your first $1 million, then you need to learn scalability. Let's say you are a barber and for every haircut you get $10. So to make your first $100, you need to find 10 customers. After that, you get 100 customers to make $1,000. Now you find 1,000 customers to make $10,000. The next step would be to hire more people with the money you make and to find 10,000 customers to make $100,000. Now with the money you got, you can open up more salons and you find 100,000 customers to make your $1 million. This is a simple example of how scalability works. So everyone, if the video inspired you, remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon below.